Hola! Hey everyone, it's Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Today we've got a beautiful half-acre lot in Vuda, and that's spelled V-U-D-A. This is about 30 minutes or so from the international airport. I'm here with Ravina Lata, one of our top sales agents, and she's working with the owner to sell this half-acre lot. It's offered at 400,000 Fijian dollars. That's less than 200,000 US dollars for this half acre. And look at this thing. I mean, it is literally ready to go. And what you'll see next door, I want to walk over here so you can see they're power washing and cleaning up next door. Very similar lot, and you can see what they're building next door just to give you a perspective. You can see they've got a nice, huge two-story building. They've got those garages underneath, so great enclosed car parks there with big open land for play areas, swimming pool, things of that nature. And we're standing under these just enormous rain trees. Fun thing about these rain trees, they actually make incredible local furniture out of these things as well too. So some of the builders and architects actually incorporate some of the rain trees that they don't keep on the property. They'll actually incorporate this in some of the woodwork and joinery with the homes that they build. So again, if you do have interest in building a house, you want to learn more about this half-acre native lease property on a 99-year lease, fully fenced. The annual lease payment is under $1,000 Fijian, so very minuscule. And a lot of these land leases have very, very low annual payments. So it's very similar to having freehold. There are three titles here in Fiji. There's freehold, crown lease, which is government-owned property, and then native lease, which is this property and many others. Most of Fiji, in fact, is native lease property. About 85% of the land in Fiji is about offered at native lease. And that means it's owned by the locals. So the local villagers in the area, your annual payments for the property help support all the locals here. So with education, infrastructure, and things like that. So you can feel great when you come to Fiji if you're buying a native lease property that you're helping the locals improve their lives as well. We look forward to hearing from you. Learn more about this property, again, professionalsfiji.com, or call us at +679 999 2051. Half acre, native lease, about 1 kilometer to Vuda Marina, and you've got direct access right here to power and water. So this is just a turnkey lot ready for your ideas and ready to build. And it's about a half hour from Nandi International Airport and less than 1 kilometer from Vuda Marina. First landing and the boat shed restaurant and many other activities here in Fiji. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a look. You take care now. Banaka.